Discord and Reddit are two very popular social media platforms. In this video, we will compare these two social media platforms. Discord allows its users to connect with their friends, as well as join new communities. You can use texts, images, videos, emojis, and GIFs to communicate with others on Discord. Reddit is a website used for entertainment, news, and social networking, where registered members can submit content. These posts can contain texts or direct links and are organized by area of interest called subreddit. Reddit only allows one server per subreddit, unlike Discord, that allows multiple servers under one subreddit. This means, if you want to start a new server on Discord, you can create a new server and invite members to new server. To do the same on Reddit, it will require a lot of time and effort. Reddit also has a section which contains all the latest news and access to trending topics. You can find news related to topics like politics, technology, and any other field, while Discord also has servers with channels that provide latest news, but it is not as good as Reddit. Discord is mostly used by gamers to form different communities, while Reddit is used for general purposes.